the meet. Are you entered the meeting?
Beta, I just got myself out from one device and the meeting got ended. I don't know why.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. Good morning. Yes, now I'll share the screen once again.
Ma'am, the class is over.
No, it's not over. 15 minutes are still
It's not
left.
over. Ma'am,
No,
we
ma'am.
have to do
In
that.
between.
Keep doing. Continue the work, Beta. Don't stop in between.
Ma'am, what we have to with that picture that you have sent on the group?
Beta, first of all, you don't join the class on time. The class is about to get over and then you ask what we have to do. This is picture composition going on. You have to
Okay, ma'am.
this, you have to describe this picture.
Okay. Ma'am, in how many lines?
Yes.
In how many lines?
Beta, in complete way, the introduction, main body and conclusion. Description should be very nicely done. It should be very descriptive. And introduction in 2-3 lines and conclusion in just 1 or 2 lines. That's it.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, hence mean इसलिए.
Hence, yes.
Last one we can write. What can we write in the conclusion?
Conclusion part, beta, you can write that I love my classroom or I love this place, classroom, because I spend most of the time after my home in classroom.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, in the last what we can write?
that is what I was telling now. I was telling
Okay,
you
ma'am.
that only.
Done. Ma'am, can we draw the picture?
Beta, you don't have to draw a picture, you only have to describe it.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, I have also done this Akshudha.
Ma'am, I have done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this picture,
Hmm.
ma'am, I can't understand it.
Beta, what is this picture about? What do you think? What it looks like? Beta, what is this picture about? Tell me what it looks like. It is a circus. It's a zoo. It's a classroom. What is it?
Ma'am, I have done.
Very
Ma'am, I have also done. Can I?
Ma'am, I have done. Yes,
Who
ma'am.
was
Can
the
I read?
first one? Who was the first one to do it?
Ma'am, I Ma'am, I am Vedant Singh. Ma'am, I am the first. Ma'am, it was me, Shaurya. Ma'am, everybody. First. Ma'am, it was Yatharth Singh. Ma'am, it was. Ma'am, I am Atal Gupta.
Okay, Yatharth Singh, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. This is a picture of a classroom where the students study together. There are 11 students in the class, and in the teacher is teaching the math subject. 7 students are raising their hands to answer the question which is asked by the teacher, and the backbenchers, who is the two boys, which is talking to each other, and the little girl who is raising its hand, and uh, and
What? What, Beta? Tell me.
no, ma'am.
Read the sentence once again.
Behind the teacher, there is a wall. On the wall, there is a calendar. The color of the wall is pink. I like to study in the classroom because me and my friends study and play together. When the teacher teaches us in the class, then we understand very carefully. Thank you.
Okay, very nice, Beta. Very good. Next, who will read? Shaurya Tyagi.
Okay, ma'am. This is a picture of a classroom. Here, a teacher is teaching SST, and the teacher is asking the question to the children. And some of the girls and the boys are raising the hand to answer the question, and some aren't raising the hand because they don't know the answer. Some of the children are opening the book and chatting the answer to answer this teacher's question. At the back of the picture, we can see that there are two boys busy in talking and discussing. And at the left of those talking boys, there is a girl raising hand and saying to boys, stop talking. The teacher is teaching. And thank you.
Shaurya, Beta, you wrote it very well, but just you ended it very abruptly. The girl is saying the boy is not to talk, the teacher is teaching. That's all. This is not a proper end. You have ended it in between only. Okay, the girl is saying them not to talk because the teacher is teaching. And then what in the end do you feel about this picture? What in the end do you feel about classroom? You have to add that. Otherwise, it will be incomplete. You will not get full marks in your creative writing in such topics. Next, after that, Shobit.
Picture description. A classroom is a place where teachers teaches and student listen and either write also. This classroom has a red wall. The picture of a peacock is hanging on the wall. The classroom is looking very clean. There is a blackboard in which the teacher is teaching, but on the right side the boys are not paying attention. Two bad benchers are busy talking to each other, but in the front of them the boys are paying attention, but one boy is looking in the corridor. There are six benches, six chairs in classroom. There is a column in which the all girls are in the left side and boys are in the right side. In the last bench of left, the girl is saying to the boys to pay attention. It is looking like the teacher held a quiz. I know because he has taken a book in her hand. The classroom is a place where I spend most of time. I love my classroom.
Okay, very nice, Peter. Well tried. Then after that comes whose turn? Akshudha. Where is Akshudha? Let me unmute her. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Picture description. This is a picture of a classroom. A classroom is a schoolroom. The classroom provides a space where learning can take place. The teachers teaches here. In this picture, I can see a teacher and 11 students. The class walls are painted pink. In the front wall, a big blackboard is hanged. In the right, there is a calendar in which a peacock is made. The teacher is asking questions and the children are raising hands to give answer. The backbencher boys are talking to each other. A girl sitting at the back is telling them to be attentive in class. In the right, all the boys are sitting and girls at the left. I love my classroom as I spend most of the time in my classroom after home.
What was the last line, Akshada? What was the last line? Okay, unmute again.
Ma'am, the conclusion.
Yes.
I love classroom as I spend most of the time in class after home.
Okay, very nice. Good.
Okay, ma'am.
How much time is left now? Okay, 2 more minutes. Yashmit.
This is the picture of a classroom. Classroom is a place where teachers teach and children study. In this picture, teacher is conducting the quiz of maths. Children are raising hands to answer. The two boys at back bench are talking. The girl at last is saying to the backbenchers, please tell the answer. But boys are busy in talking. In this classroom, there are 11 children present. There is blackboard in the middle and calendar in right. After the home, I spend most time at school. I love my classroom.
Very nice. Very good. Now, beta, let's do one thing. Let's just end this meeting. You can move for your next class because now there is no time left. Bye to all of you.